Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Moat Analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with Moat Analytics, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in moatanalytics.com and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button, typically found in the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to register using either email or a third-party service like Google or GitHub. If you prefer to use email, enter your work email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets the platform's security requirements. After filling in your email and password, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email shortly after submitting your registration. Go to your email inbox and find the email from Moat Analytics. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Moat Analytics website. Log in using your registered email and the password you just created. After logging in, complete your user profile by filling out any requested information. You may also be prompted to set up your billing information if necessary. Now that your account is set up, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features available. You are now officially registered and can start using Moat Analytics for your data analysis needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.